Alright, so here is a program called Calling a Virtual Method, which we'll be learning about a virtual method today. So, to start off, I'll go ahead and declare the base class right here. We named it parent, base class, then a regular method over here, and then here is the virtual method, where we just put in the keyword virtual in front of a regular method. How it works is, what makes a virtual class special or method special is that this method can be used like a base class for a derived class. That's the simplest way I can manage to put that. And it all makes sense once I finish this program. So right here, we got our regular old derived class. We got the parent class, and we got child class, and then we use a method with the same name to override the virtual base method. Alright, and then we can do this. So what we just did is we declared a grandchild class, which derives from the child class, and which then we override the virtual base method again. And then here we also override the regular method. Alright, so in our main program, we got we declared some derived class instances and base class pointers. So like this, and then class parent. Then we make some pointers, and then we assign it to the memory locations of the two derived classes, or the objects. Then down here, so we're going to use this class pointer. So this one will inherit common, which common is right here, the regular method. So it'll say I am part of the family. Then it'll override identify, also calling it as well. Then here we do the same thing with grandchild. We will inherit that same cout statement up there, stating I am part of the family. Then we'll override it with the identify right here, or I am the grandchild. Then at pointer child, we'll explicitly call for this one up here, and explicitly call for this thing right here. And then here we'll just use the instance to call the method in there. And I misworded that. Says we're not really overriding anything. That was my bad. We just declared it. Yeah, that didn't make sense to me at first either. I was wondering what I was saying. I was getting it mixed up, but I think with that said, everything should make sense. So right here, we got this line, I am part of the family, which is on right here. We did point it to that class. Then we also decided that we wanted to use the overrided method to output this. So we inherit again, and then we override it with this again. Then down here, we use this scope resolution operator to just use the base class methods just like normal. And then down here we simply use the method inside what we just simply declared, and it just spits out that whole string. With that said, I think everything makes sense. So yeah, that's basically it for this program. Virtual methods.